Welcome back to another simple video, everyone. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can easily turn off the mobile data option for the YouTube app on iPhone. Essentially, we're going to stop the YouTube app from using our cellular data with just a couple of simple steps. By turning off cellular data for the YouTube app, you can ensure that your videos only stream when you're connected to Wi-Fi, saving you valuable data for other important uses. Before we start with the video, if you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe to get more similar and helpful content like this. It would really help out the channel if you did so. So, without wasting your time, let's start right away. You want to open the Settings app on your iPhone and then find and click on the Cellular button right here. That will open our mobile data settings page, where we need to scroll down a bit and find the Cellular Data section, where you can see a couple of apps that are enabled or disabled. Let's expand this by clicking on the Show All option right here. And now you'll be able to customize this to your liking. You can flip the switch to enable or disable mobile data usage for different apps. In our case, we want to find the YouTube app. You can see that YouTube has used nearly 800 megabytes of my mobile data, and it may be even more for you. Tell me in the comments down below how much data your YouTube app has used. I'll just disable this by flipping the switch next to the YouTube app, and then I'll exit the settings and open YouTube. As you can see, we'll get a little pop-up message that cellular data is turned off for YouTube, so I won't be able to search for or play different videos. I can either switch to my Wi-Fi connection, or I will need to enable YouTube once again from the cellular data settings. But yeah, that's about it, everyone. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.